What's going on, guys? It's Dan from DK Tuning, and behind me you will see Jack's gorgeous blue RS3, which we've done loads of work to. So we're gonna go and give you guys a show around the car now to show you what we've done to it, and you'll be impressed. This little thing is one of the quickest RS3s on the road today.
Got me a nudge, don't care about my act. I don't wanna cuff, I just want the sex. I'm about the money, the power spike. I cut the bitch off, now show them set. I give her one shot like Russian roulette. She heard I got sauce, she said I'm up next. Don't answer her call, she sending me text. I don't know how to work, I best reflex. Got me a nudge, don't care about my ex. I don't wanna cuff, I just want the sex. I'm about the money, the power spike. I cut the bitch off, now show them set. I give her one shot like Russian roulette. I'm like SG, you know it's the set. We lost all the niggas, we never forget.
So as you can see, one of the main things it's just come in for today actually is this gorgeous 034 Motorsport intake, which you can see behind me. And that's obviously to help with the increase in the airflow that we've obviously requesting with the stage 1 map that we've put on it a few weeks back. So that is really nice. We're really impressed with the quality from the 034 Motorsport intake. The customer is absolutely over the moon with it as well. We think it looks gorgeous. We were going to go for the Venturi one, but the price difference, another 500 quid on top of this one, didn't really justify it. We really like the way they've got this nice open sort of cone, sort of intake bit here that's going to be obviously be sucking all the air in, and then we've got a really nice thick diameter inlet pipe all the way down, obviously to the turbo at the back there. So that's really nice and sounds pretty cool as well. So one of the other things that we did to Jack's car, as you can see, is the Milltek Catback Exhaust. We're going for a non-resonated Catback Exhaust with the black tips, which look absolutely lovely, especially now he's put the Maxton Design splitter on that you can see behind us, which looks really nice as well. And the exhaust sounds absolutely epic. And obviously we complemented that a month or so ago with the stage 1 map that we obviously did to the ECU. So the power now is absolutely crazy. Obviously we had some figures which you'll see now. We ended up with around 466 horsepower, which is crazily quick for a stage 1 car, and the torque increase was absolutely insane as well. I think it was about 560 Newton meters of torque. So Jack obviously will be coming back in soon to maybe get some sort of stage 2 package done. Now we have also put on this the Forge front mount intercooler, which is an absolute beast, which sits just down here somewhere. So that was done again at our Nottingham branch about a month ago. So this car's been back a few times to us now. Really nice customer, Jack, and obviously it's great that he trusts in our beliefs and is taking our advice on board with a lot of different modifications. We're going to be going downpipe soon, and then probably a map tweak for a bit more power, push it towards sort of 500 horsepower probably with these modifications. So it's a great car. We love the RS3s. Remember guys, we do complete packages for the RS3s, the same as like the Golf Rs and the S3s. We do packages up to sort of 1,000 horsepower with these, with different turbo setups. So if you've got an RS3, please hit us up, let us know, and we'll be able to quote it up for you. But for now guys, thanks ever so much for watching this short little video on this gorgeous RS3. For now guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.